How to switch creator account on Instagram. So open Instagram and click on profile icon and select the three lines and scroll down and you see options like and select the account type and tools, and you show options like switch to professional account and add new professional account. So switch new professional account, click on it and click next button, and you show category options like this. I'm a video editor, so select video editor and next button now, and you show option like business and creator, so select the creator options and next now, and okay, and your creator account is ready. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.